Zappy helps you quickly build a professional marketing website with AI tools tailored to your needs. Launching any website is easy, from landing pages to full marketing sites, catalogs, or e-commerce sites. Begin by telling us about your business. Share details so Zappy can create the perfect website content for you. Click Submit, and we'll guide you through a quick wizard in 5 simple steps. Click the button, and in under 7 minutes, your website will be generated based on your choices. It's that easy. Great news! It's done. Check out your newly generated site, tailored to your needs. Zappy uses a hybrid approach for inline editing any site element, including text and photos, by clicking on it, or by using the AI customization to change pretty much anything you want on the site. For catalog or e-commerce sites, manage your store easily with a simple platform that covers all your needs. Just click the Store Manager button on the left to get started. Check out the full product details page. It's beautiful, right? Zappy. Let's make it happen.